Torpedo crew, ready for action. Missile away, 8 seconds to impact. Left rudder. Target destroyed. Torpedo tubes at full alert. Ship to the right. Our location has been revealed. Eyes on enemy contact. Missiles prepared for launch. Missile strike. Enemy locked in. All engines full stop. Lock and load. Missiles ready. Missiles prepared for launch. The target has been locked. Missile silo, fire. Hull hit. Damage in section 3. Missile silo ready for launch, receiving coordinates. Incoming missile. Heat traps engaged. Missile silo ready for launch, receiving coordinates. Heading right, 30 degrees. All posts prepare for battle. Attention, we have been noticed. Torpedo fired. Missiles armed and ready. Missile strike. Enemy locked in. Torpedo crew ready for action. Target locked. Target in sight. Missile away. We're under enemy attack. Hits and damage reported. Torpedo fired. The enemy ship has been sunk. Let's move on.